Festival season is now upon us, which means it's time to start thinking about packing those backpacks for a weekend of music and good times. Here are our tips. Number 1, bring your own food. One of the biggest expenses at festivals is food and drink. Vendors are often charging you above the odds and you're not actually getting your money's worth. So, to save money, consider bringing your own snacks, meals and beverages. Number 2, get organised. If you're worrying about how you're going to transport your food, your drink, your cooking equipment, your tent, then it might be worth investing in a fold-down trolley. Trekking across the campsite with all this massive gear can be an absolute hassle, believe me, I know. Number 3, get creative with your drinks. Now, I've never personally done this before, but my mate did, and that's because the bar is so expensive at these festivals. He got one of those Capri Suns with the reusable ones. You know, you can take the lid off and put it back on. He put his alcohol in that and just walk straight through. So, if you fancy taking your chances, just don't get caught. For more tips, check out our blog, link is in the comments.